Tonight, a local lawyer says a surprise visit from ICE agents turned into a tense morning. Good evening. Thank you for joining us on To The Point. I'm Walt Gray, in tonight for Alex Bell. The incident happened at a law office in Natomas. ABC 10's Jeannie DeWin joins us now live in studio with what happened. Jeannie.
Walt, the attorney, is an immigration attorney and believes she's being targeted because of her job. She's concerned these agents will return as the Trump administration continues to tighten immigration policies.
There's definitely a lot of just bad news all the time, to be honest, coming from either the Board of Immigration Appeals overturning decisions that have been the law for many years, or even hearing about ICE breaking into people's houses without a search warrant.
After practicing immigration law for the past 14 years, this past year has been especially difficult for Raisa Morris.
It's been a scary time for I think a lot of immigration attorneys are under a lot of mental,
These parking spots are normally reserved for patients of this dental office or clients of the immigration law firm next door. Instead, both businesses say this area was taken over by unmarked vehicles.
I know that 4 cars were here at one point. I got a message from my staff members that immigration was here. I clarified and I asked, what did they mean? Was it ICE? And they responded yes.
Morris's staff got this clip of this man exiting her office in what appears to be regular clothing.
The one that did came in had a badge, at least, same ICE. Came in through this door. We usually have this door unlocked because clients come in.
Morris says the man did not get any further than the lobby because he did not have a warrant. But she says he was adamant on inspecting her office.
The ICE agent said that, he just wanted to make it really easy, that he just wanted to come into the building and check if I had any beds for my clients here in our offices.
After turning the man away without a warrant, Morris says the man left with a warning.
They could have a list from Washington, D.C. with clients listing this as their mailing address. And at any time, even at 3 a.m., if they were looking for somebody, they could come and break into my building and to look if I had my clients here living in the building.
Next door, Dr. Daniel Azardoui noticed his patients were getting uncomfortable.
I was going back and forward, so I had to mitigate some of the stuff that was happening inside my office as well.
He says he approached the unmarked vehicles and tried talking to the men inside them. He noticed they all had guns, and after multiple attempts to ask for their identity, he says they ignored him. While it's unclear if this visit was conducted by ICE, Morris says knowing your rights is important.
Know your rights. We all have rights under the Constitution. We don't have to allow anybody into our private premises if they don't have a search warrant signed by a judge.
And I reached out to ICE and DHS to confirm if agents visited this law firm and if they plan on getting any warrants for any future visits. I did not receive a response in time for this story, Walt.
So, Jeannie, you were in the office. Did you see any beds in your time there?
From what I observed, no, I did not see any beds, but we did a brief visit, so if there were beds, it wasn't obvious to me.
Okay, Jeannie DeWin, thank you.